This is from Antec, and it was funny. This was a late edition. I had several supplies in stock, and I said, I need to do a budget build. I'm going to see what I've got. I had a case from Thermaltake, and, you know, it was a decent one, but the stock was kind of questionable. It was an older model. And then I saw a review my friend Pinky Tech did. I don't know if Joe's in the chat here, but Joe Pinky Tech did a great review of this case overall, and it's not RGB, but again, I don't have RGB on that motherboard that I got. And you know, this one, when we think about budget cases, I'm pulling this up real fast here for us. This is their NX200M, as you see down there. So when you look at budget cases, nowadays $60, it used to be around $55. This one is more than 60 bucks. I have not even pulled it out. See, maybe I should have yanked it out of the box here, made sure it wasn't like dented or anything, but let's pull that out. But you know, he enjoyed this case, thought it was good to build in, and gave it a recommendation, and I trust Joe, so I said, why not? We'll go back to the top-down cam here. It does have a tempered glass side. Let me bring this up. Now, what I would highly recommend is if you're going to do a build, always start out and don't build inside the case. Now, I've tested the parts and make sure that they work. So there you go. You can see that. It's got the I/O in there as well. But this is going to be a good case to match up to what we have. It's not going to be any waste. You know, there's not addressable RGB that we're missing out on here. So you can see that tempered glass side with the door, removable door, which I really like. So I'm taking that off right now. As you can see, it's got some instructions inside that we'll go for. And so we got our one fan in the back. It had room in the front, if I remember right. Yeah, it looks like I can pull this. So it had room in the front, I believe, for a 240 mil radiator. You'd have to snake it out or through the top here somehow, but you'd have to come up with some way of connecting that. Looks like there's a cutout in the drive tray down below. So, you know, it could do a fairly large radiator. I'll pull the Amazon page up while we're building in it. But again, I recommend building on a bench and go from there. It looks like it's got plenty of room up top for additional fans. So you're gonna come with one fan and tempered glass side, which is pretty basic, straightforward. So